Okay guys, we have a troublesome Proline. We've been out 4 times with it so far and broken it 3. The first time we broke the diff casing, that was just a normal jump, really disappointing. The second time it survived, and in fact Kevin was playing with that, so that's quite surprising it did survive. That was at the skate park in Gambling. Third time was the servo horn, but that wasn't the truck's fault, that was Ian being an idiot. And last time we went out, we were at Sandy, and it did a cartwheel across the floor there. And that's a sandy floor, so it's really soft. But it broke the pivot balls. I think I called them pillar balls or something in the last videos, just ignore me. So Ian's done one side, I've watched. Supposedly I can do it again, but I also have to repair the lower arm because it's snapped off in the lower arm. So here's the parts. Top number there. If you're buying these, you need to be getting 2 packs because obviously you only get 2 in a pack and you need 4 to do this. And then we've got, that's the part number there for the arms. Okay, so get this out of the way. Incidentally, this body's held up really well. This is the basher body, but then it keeps breaking, so maybe not.
I think the Russian one was just one of those things. I think it's just an unlucky one.
Yeah. Right. I'm having to use this thing, whatever this is. What's this? Is this a wrench?
Ratchet.
Ratchet. Because one that Proline supplied rounded off, so it's a bit rubbish, really. And there it goes. Right, so to start off with, you need to take the front bumper off. So you've got the 2 screws at the back, and then there's 4 underneath. And then the 4 screws on the top here. Okay, so that's that off. And then take the shock out. No?
Yeah, you can take the shock out.
It's a little tiny one, isn't it? So the shock comes off, there's a little, that one, isn't it? There's a little tiny, can you see that? No, you can see that in the lighting. There's a little tiny thing there anyway, I'll take that out. And then this pin should just pop out and move the shock out the way. Then what do I do then?
You can either take the anti-roll bar off, or you can...
That's, yeah. So you've got these little rubbery caps here, which should there we go, they just pop off. And then the anti-roll bar just comes out like that. All these bits?
Yeah, well, you can take the steering arm off.
This bit? Yes, yeah. This bit. Where's my thingamajig? There it is. Forgot what bit I'm doing. Why does it feel like it's not coming off?
Got the right size on there.
Nope. That'll be why. Right. Then this bit.
Yep.
Okay. So this.
Is that the right size?
Yes, it's the right size. This goes right down into it, doesn't it? Goes.
Yep.
I don't know how to explain it. No, it's not the right size. What's going on?
You've got to make sure it's square so you can get to it.
Ah, there we go. I don't know how you boys feel now.
I'm not trusting you with a drill. I'll say that straight. You get the screwdriver in there.
And then take these, get these top bits off.
Get the caps out. Oh, that's not going to focus properly. There we go.
Well done.
I'll probably pop through if you push.
There you go, you've got your cap. Yep, the cap's there, and then there's a little plastic cap as well that goes, that sits inside there. So that's the old one out, and then the same with the other one. That's still not coming out.
Right, hang on. Right, little nifty trick when things Allen keys are too tight. Use a torque screwdriver. Hang on, get it in focus. And then that should bite into the corners of where the Allen key was.
Oh yeah. This one's been super glued in to stop it popping out, which is why it's not coming out so easy. And there's your cap and the little plastic bit.
Leave it on there because you've got to put it back in anyway.
Oh, okay.
As
Right.
it does up, it'll untwist it. There's a pair of scissors up there.
Do you want me to save your sticker?
Yep.
Sorry, decal, isn't it? Is that the way to make you feel grown up? It's a decal, not a sticker. It's a sticker. Why is this a different size to that one?
Because
because that snapped off, didn't it? Okay. Right, now what did you tell me? Which way around does that go?
way.
That way?
Yep.
In that way?
Yep. Drop it in.
And then put the little cap. So obviously the white plastic bit fits on top that way round. And then you need to tighten it up so that it doesn't move, and then
Back it off.
just back it off until it drops like that, and that gives you the movement. And then obviously the same with the other one. Where's Cool. So yeah, tighten it up. And if you can, there we go, back it off so it drops and it's got the movement in there. Right, so the arm, how does that come off then?
Right, 2 screws on the
These?
front. Make sure you don't lose the plastic caps.
Yeah.
if you look closely, there is a little dimple on the plastic cap. Oh, showing the wrong one. And on the alley bit, that's where they've got to line back up again when you do it, put it back together.
Oh, okay. Right, so this bit's just coming off.
Yep. Now if you're clever, there you go. Hinge pin staying in place. There you go.
So this bit's coming out, yeah, for the
Yep.
new one. And these are both the same, so it doesn't matter which one I go for, does it?
Yep. I want to cut it with the scissors. Right, before you go putting it back on, you've got to change that over.
Yeah.
And what I would do is I would screw that in, pivot ball in first, because it'll make it easier to line up the shaft of the arm not connected to the truck.
Wait, one thing at a time. Right. There, that's where it's got that from, isn't it? And tight.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be supersonic tight.
Okay. And what did you say?
Screw that one to the hub first. So put the
What's a hub?
Right. Put the pivot ball in. Right. So that one,
Yeah.
I'll get it in shot, is the bottom arm, which is the one you've got off.
So where am I putting this?
Screw that into the arm.
Into here.
Yep. Oh, don't forget, there is a washer that comes out of there because when it broke, it threw it out. There's a washer that
goes on there.
in between the pivot ball and the arm, which could possibly be why it broke. Now we're getting concentration face.
Oh no, I need bigger hands.
No, I think you need the screwdriver and the pivot ball.
Oh.
Because you're not going to be able to do stop into the space to turn.
I can't hold it and turn it.
Besides the fact you've got the wrong size screwdriver. That's right. That was the right one. No.
That one?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, you need to go through the centre of the cap to screw in the pivot ball, which that's going to take the cap of the pivot ball off.
So I need to get down deeper.
Yes.
Get down.
Deeper, eh, darling?
What?
Deeper, eh?
Get down and dirty. Down and dirty.
Well, right, we'll have some innuendos at the same time.
Tight?
Yep.
Right.
Right. So now, get the top one screwed into the top arm.
Do I need to put this in?
But not yet.
Not yet.
It'll make life a lot easier. You won't have to line 3 things up at once.
This one doesn't need a washer?
No.
Okay.
Is that all the way home, is it?
I think so.
Yep. Right. So now what you need to do is you need to get myself in shot. You need to get that located in the cup.
Yep.
And then get the arm located in the bottom. Always get the little pin in the bottom.
Does it push through, or does it just sit there?
I think I managed to pull the other side out as well. Oh.
Yep. No, too many hands. Get your hands out. Then put this thingamy. What's it on there?
Yep. Now if you look, that will only go one way. It'll have screws through the underneath of it. Good.
And that was those two, wasn't it? I meant to remember what's what.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's them.
Oh, for God's sake. What's going on? Oh, I had that one.
That's it. Don't need to go mega sonic tight.
Very tight.
No, you don't need to go
Oh,
mega sonic.
okay. Turn this back in?
Yep.
Where did it come out from? In here?
So yeah, that hooks.
Let's do it this way so we see what we're doing.
Hooks over the drive shafts and back in there, like that.
Like that.
And then I'd get your bumper back on before you do that, so then hold that in place. No, do the top
Do
off
the top
first,
ones first.
because then I'll hold that in place.
Is that those two?
Awesome.
See, it helps having little lady hands.
You screw in, darling.
Bored of screwing.
Really?
You need to up your game.
That'll be tight enough. I'll check it in a minute.
Well, I've only got. Are there two different sizes?
Yeah, 2 short ones at the back, the 2 long ones at the front.
Okay.
It's the wrong size screwdriver.
It's not.
Yes.
Okay. Then what? Where does that go?
There.
That goes back into here with the little nutty bolty bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Over the top. Yep. Where's it twisted? Tight.
Yeah.
It's done.
Shock.
Shock. Where does that come from? Wait, I'll work it out. Why has it got 2 holes?
Because you can adjust where you put it. keep my comments clean. Should just do up to this flush.
Yep.
Plastic links.
The what?
Plastic links.
Oh yeah. Is there a top and bottom?
No, they just pop on. Take a little bit of force. Right, leave it, I'll deal with that. Oh, you got it?
Concentrated face again.
Yep. Funny, I've got a concentrated face on at the moment as well.
Yeah, you can do that bit. So that's pretty much done. We will put a little dot super glue on this one because they have a habit of popping out. Wheel on, done, ready to go. So we'll be taking this out with us tomorrow to the skate park.
If we're going to the skate park.
If we go to the skate park. And look, it's a human child, my daughter. Shut up. You won't see her on film very often because she's too busy like this in her phone.
I'm sleeping.
She's too busy like this in her phone with real friends on social media. So
I sleep.
get your kids out, get them playing, get them off the blooming social media and phones. It's not cool. This is
not
cool.
like we've got a lack of trucks for her to play with.
No,
Look, there's barely any.
although she doesn't have much speed control, it's flat out or nothing, and anybody that's in your way
Is in my way.
is in your way.
They will move.
She had a what did she have? A carnage.
Do I
Is
say
it a carnage?
Yeah.
carnage.
Yeah, it's not a carnage anymore.
What did you do to it?
You broke it.
Oh, I broke it.
So yeah, that is us done. We've just got a little sneak peek here of the next or another video that will be coming up. Be an unboxing video. Ian came home from work with that the other day, saying, "Look what happened." In the words of, what are you looking at? In the words of Kev's, what happened? So there's a little sneak peek for you there. That will be coming up soon. If you want to see that getting broken, you can see the tumble. That video will be up in the next day or so. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Yep, but before we do that, we're going to apply a little bit.
Oh, super glue. I'll do super glue. I like super glue.
No, it only needs a dab on there. Why's that not gone in flat? That should be flush.
Shall I loosen it up again?
Hang on, oh no. Right, hang on a sec.